Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Big news today. The latest US jobs data is out, and it shows job growth slowed in August. This could be a turning point for both the economy and the stock market, so let's break down the numbers, what they mean, and how Wall Street is reacting. According to Reuters, the US economy added around 142,000 jobs in August, a sharp slowdown compared to July's 351,000 gain. The unemployment rate ticked up slightly to 4.2%, while wage growth cooled to 3.8% year-over-year, the slowest pace since 2021. This combination of weaker job creation and moderating wages is exactly the kind of data the Federal Reserve has been waiting for. So why should investors care? Two big reasons. Federal Reserve policy. As Bloomberg notes, slower hiring and softer wage growth take pressure off inflation. That increases the odds of the Fed cutting interest rates sooner rather than later. Some traders are now betting on the first cut coming as early as September's meeting. Economic outlook. On the flip side, slower job growth could also mean the labor market is losing steam. Economists warn that if hiring continues to weaken, it could weigh on consumer spending, which makes up about 2/3 of the US economy. As MarketWatch reports, Wall Street had an immediate reaction to the data. Stocks opened higher with the Dow, S&P 500, and Nasdaq all pushing toward fresh record levels. Why? Because investors are betting that weaker jobs data means easier monetary policy ahead. Bond yields, especially the 10-year Treasury, fell as traders priced in lower interest rates. Tech stocks in particular got a boost since they're highly sensitive to borrowing costs. But it's not all rosy. According to the Associated Press, some sectors are showing cracks. Manufacturing jobs remain under pressure, while retail and hospitality are cooling off after strong rebounds earlier this year. Meanwhile, labor force participation, basically how many people are working or looking for work, remains below pre-pandemic levels. That's a longer-term structural challenge for the US economy. As CNBC highlights, here's what investors should keep an eye on. The Fed's September meeting, will they signal a rate cut? Inflation data coming next week. Does it confirm the cooling trend? Consumer spending reports. Are households still resilient, or are they pulling back? These will tell us if August's job slowdown is just a blip, or the start of a new trend. So, to sum it up, August's jobs report shows the labor market cooling, which Wall Street is cheering for now. But the big question is whether this slowdown stays healthy or turns into a bigger drag on growth. What do you think? Is this the beginning of the Fed's long-awaited pivot, or a warning sign that the economy is weakening? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.